Hi, folks. Welcome. Today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different than usual. We're going to do a review on sound triggers, and we're going to be able to create our own sound triggers whenever we press a button or whenever a condition is met. But first, I want you to brainstorm in your heads what type of conditions would cause a sound. Would it be a collision or a button press? Once you have that in mind, we can go to this next part. Right here, we got to write a method. Now, what I would do first in whatever SDK you use for writing your things would start off by declaring two things. You need an audio source and an audio clip. So let's start off with the audio source. Public audio source. Or we can declare the clip first, doesn't actually matter. CLIP. Public audio. Still not any better at spelling, I see. Source. There we go. Now, what you want to be able to do is create your own method. I'm going to call this one audio maker, and it's going to be a void method with no return type. So in this method, what we got to do is first, with the declared audio clip and sources, we need to equal the audio clip to the audio we made. So what we first need to do is take our audio source, SC source, that I misspelled, and then we gotta put dot clip. And then we gotta equal it to clip. There we go. Make sure to end that in a semicolon. Now on the next line, we want the actual source to start playing. So let's go to the source. Dot play. And this is a dot play method, so that means call it like that. So basically, whenever this method is called, it sets the source dot clip to the audio clip you defined, and then it plays that audio source. So basically, up here in my update method, I have if input.getKeyDown space. Basically, if I press the space button, it calls the method audio maker that we just made. So let me attach this to Unity. And now that it's attached to Unity, it should update to show us all the wonderful new stuff. Give it a second. Here we go. Now we got to define an audio clip and an audio source. So let's go with the acceleration. That would be our audio clip. Now our audio source needs to come from an object. And a lot of objects in your scene may have audio sources. So it's best to know where your audio is coming from before you assign it to a source that you will never hear. Like this one right here is coming from a rifle, so I'm going to put in the rifle source. As you can see, we have everything we need. So when I click play, and I'm going to turn up my audio here because I'm not entirely confident this microphone will be able to pick it up. Yeah, I have a rather large scene here. I apologize for the lag, I mean.
Imagine my shot. I am a zombie. I no longer have free will. I will eat you now.
Now the space bar. You can hear that. The acceleration sound. So basically that was our method. And I hope now that I've cleared up any confusion about audio on triggers. What we went over today was how to create a method that plays a audio clip from an audio source, and you just need a condition. Just keep in mind what conditions you have and where the audio is from, and we should be right on track for creating audio clips. Thank you, and bye.